So you want to download a Google Sheet. Super easy. Go to File, Download, and we have a bunch of options. When we do comma separated values, by the way, it's only going to download the very first tab. If we download as a PDF, that's the same as printing. So if you're trying to print a Google Sheet, just save as a PDF, and you're going to get a bunch of options. You can even save as a Microsoft Excel doc. Now, let me show you the coolest trick I think Google Sheets has. And it's so cool that they don't even tell you. You can go up to the URL of your Google Sheet, and at the very end, there's this /edit. You can delete all of this. Right after the ID of your sheet, add a slash and put copy. And if we hit enter, we'll see that this gives us a dialog that doesn't access the sheet. It just allows us to make a copy. And if we've allowed someone to view the sheet itself, they can make a copy too. And instead of sending this Google Sheet and saying, hey, you make a copy, we can send this URL with /copy up here, and it will automatically show them this. We can show them the sheet if you want, /template/preview, and it opens like this where they get to see the sheet, and then they get to click use template to make a copy in their own Google Drive. But if you want them to just download it, you can do export, format, equals, and now put CSV or PDF. Let's do PDF. If we hit enter, without accessing the sheet at all, I've downloaded it. Now, how do I remember all of this? Well, I don't. I don't have to remember all of these. I can go into my URL, go to docs.google.com. Instead of docs dot, I can change this to the word dot. Hit enter, and it's going to redirect me to bettersheets.co/download, where I have every single magic URL possible ready to copy with your Google Sheet link already in there. So you can export as a CSV, PDF, TSV. You can copy the sheet, preview mode. You can even give someone minimal editor, like distraction-free editing mode, or even embed it in an iframe. I hope that this gives you a really awesome assortment of tools at your disposal that Google Sheets barely ever tells you. Just check out bettersheets.co/download if you ever want to remember these, or just go to your URL, change that dot to dot, and you can come right here. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.